Hey YouTube, it's Erin and I am the handbag housewife, and this is actually future me. I filmed an unboxing and I'm just going to add to it because I felt like I was not wearing the right clothing to try this particular bag on. So without further ado, I'm going to let you watch the unboxing and then I'm going to follow up with some mod shots and try a few different strap options to see if I can try to get this bag to fit me in a way that I would like it the most. So here you go. Enjoy the show. And I've got an unboxing for you today. This is an item that I got to replace an item that I am selling. I've sold the item in the sense that I've got a deposit on it, but I'm waiting for the rest of the payment, which I have no doubts that it will come through because I've worked with this wonderful buyer before. Anyhow, I think I'll go ahead and open this and then I can show you what I sold. I sold one of my camera bags because after doing the review on them, I decided that I didn't need all four. And so I sold my McGraw camera bag, which is in this beautiful dark solarium color. I really do love the color of this bag and it holds so much. It's a very practical bag, very durable, but I decided that I wanted a different style for my yellow bag in my collection. I don't wear yellow a lot, so I don't need a bunch of yellow bags, unlike pink. Girly colors I wear a lot more of. Now, Tory Burch, they really stuffed this bag into this tiny little box. I mean, it was pushing on both sides. The handle feels like it's in an okay position, but I'm a little bit worried. Oh my. Yeah, this is not good. Okay, so it's in the dust bag. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out of there. The handle may be okay. I may just need to reshape it. Okay, here we go. Ooh, that's pretty. The front flap's okay. The back flap's okay. It did get just, well, it's okay. I need to get my glasses on so I can see it a little better. This is the Tory Burch Kira, and it's their new style. There we go. Let me go ahead and take out this wrapping. Okay, so the first thing I notice is that this bag feels much hardier and more durable than not only the Flemings, but the Kiras that I have. The leather feels really nice. It has a few little dents, but they are rubbing out like really fast. Let's check out the handle. So you can see the handle is just a little bit misshapen, but I have no doubt that that's going to work its way out just by being used. Now this handle, you can see that it flops either way, and I wasn't sure how I would like that. I think I'll be okay with it, but I do need to hang it to get it straightened out. Just like hang it on a doorknob or something, I think will do the trick. Let me smell the bag. Oh, it smells wonderful. I really love this leather. I'm telling you, it is really nice. It's got a beautiful strap with a chain on it. And I wonder where you hook it in. I'm thinking you hook it in right here on the top of the bag. Okay, so see, I hooked the strap right there on the top. I'll go ahead and try it on real quick. So it's a really nice size. It does jut out a little bit more than some of my other bags. The strap is adjustable though, so I can probably adjust it longer and it won't do that. Let's try that. Longer or shorter? Maybe shorter. It does have a nice little keeper there to keep the part of the leather bit from, or sticking out, I mean. I'm not sure whether I Like it longer or shorter? I think I like it shorter. In fact, I could go even just a little bit shorter. Let's look at the inside. Oh, wow. The inside is like a beautiful gray color, and it is the softest feeling microfiber. It's like Louis Vuitton quality microfiber on the inside there. I'm going to do a video here pretty soon comparing all of my puffy bags that are similar to the Saint Laurent Lulu line, and I'm going to include this one in it. But the color on this bag is just gorgeous. So you see it has a pocket right here in the middle. It's got another zip pocket on the back. And then it has two slots right here that are really wide. They're wider than a credit card. It really is laid out a whole lot like the Saint Laurent Lulu bag is laid out. Except for I don't think that the Lulu bag has these little slots unless you get into the toy size. This bag may be better on the shoulder. Yes, I think I like it better on the shoulder than crossbody. Crossbody, it just sort of juts out at the bottom a little oddly, but it might be my outfit too. I may have to go and try it on with a different outfit. I'll do that later. Okay, so this is the strap that the bag came with. And you can see that this top handle, because of how they packed it, it's kind of leaning off towards this left side, or it would be your right, but my left side. And I've been hanging it on a velvet hanger and kind of spreading it out to get it to be more even. And that's definitely helping. When I put the bag on crossbody, I've got it set on a middle setting, and I feel like it really lays pretty well there. It does stick out a little bit at the bottom, but I think what I'm going to do with this bag is try to get it a shoulder strap. And I did try it on with my Cassie 19 strap, but it was just a little bit too short. So I have another chain from Samorga that I was going to try it on with, and I'll show you that. So this chain is in silver, and it's 28 inches long. But if it hits me in the right spot, I'm going to get on Amazon and see if I can find an antique gold version, because I do have this strap in gold, but it's a bright, shiny yellow gold. And you can see on this bag that it's a really antique gold finish. So let me pop this on here and see how it hits me. I think I put it on the wrong side already. Hang on. Okay, you see, I really like wearing it like that. I think that looks way better than wearing it crossbody. So that's a 28-inch chain. I think, now that I think about it, I have a chunky chain that is an Amazon chain that's 23 inches. I'm gonna grab that one and try that one too. Okay, before I start, let me just show you how well the finish matches. See, it's just a little bit lighter than the Tory Burch, but it's still beautiful. I just almost don't have room to get it through this little hole. I don't. I'm gonna have to hook it to the strap, the small straps link, but I think that'll be okay. So that is the 23-inch option. Actually, that fits pretty well, but I do think I still like the 28-inch option better. So I'm gonna get online and see what I can find, and I'll keep you updated. So I think I've got it worked out. I've been looking on Amazon, and like I told you, I was gonna try to find a chain that would work for this bag. So I don't know if you all remember, but I have this chain here that is 42 inches long that I showed in my Pillow Tabby 18 video, and it's considered a chest pack length. Well, what I did is I went ahead and shortened it with this loop here so that I could test it out and show you. But this chain comes in a 25-inch length. And as you can see, the hooks right here, they are, well, you can't see because I don't have the other chain with me, but these hooks are the same style almost as the Tory Burch hooks. And they fit on that very bottom. They fit right there on that very bottom ring, which is where you want it to be, because as you can see, this silver one here, I have it hooked one ring up because it's a wider clip and it makes this piece hang funny. So just for trial purposes, I went ahead and hooked it like this and removed the other amount of chain that I won't have when I get the new 25-inch chain on Tuesday. But as you can see, it is like literally the perfect length. I think you could go 28 inches as well, and I would consider that the perfect length too. But this is a very good length. I'm very happy with it. And so that, my dears, is the way to make this bag work for me. I feel like it's more flattering that way. And when I do my comparison really soon, and I show you how this bag measures up to the Saint Laurent Lulu, I think having this chain with it makes these two bags much more comparable, because I don't generally wear the Lulu crossbody. It's more of a medium to long shoulder bag. Not long. I consider a long shoulder bag like hip length, and that's not what these are. But a medium one would hit you right here as opposed to being up in your armpit. And that's what this bag is with this 25-inch chain, and it's what the Lulu bag is with its chains doubled up. So this bag is a keeper. You can see I'm still, well, this is kind of distorting it, this little ring, but I'm still kind of working on getting this piece straightened out due to how they packed it. But the leather is unbelievable. It is so pretty too in this color. This color is called Beeswax. And if you call the customer service line, they may be able to find you one of these at a store, because there's a few left scattered about the country. So if you like this bag and you like reviews like this, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. About 30 to 40% of you haven't subscribed who watch me on a regular basis. And I would hate for you to miss out on something you might really enjoy. You can also find me on Instagram under the Handbag Housewife, which is the same name as I use here. So take care, have a fabulous day, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.